three different types of radio triggers. We start with the entry level, which is the standard FM radio trigger for speedlights. At mid-level, we've got the Yongnuo system, which is also doubling as a remote camera trigger. This is available for a range of different Canon and Nikon cameras. And for pro level, we've got the Trigmaster radio transceivers. With the FM radio trigger, you've got two devices. You've got a receiver and a transmitter. You can buy additional receivers to build up your system. With the Yongnuo transceivers, they come in pairs, one receiver and one transmitter. With the Trigmaster system, they can both be working as a transceiver or receiver, and you can buy additional pieces to add to the system. The FM radio trigger, we'll have a look at what comes in the box. So here it comes with two parts. This is the receiving unit right here. This is the transmitter unit, which sits on top of your camera's hot shoe, like so. It has the option of having a corded sync as well, so if you don't want to rely on the hot shoe, you can always just use a cord to sync up your transceiver. Has 4-channel option, which you switch up here at the top, as well as an umbrella mount if you want to add any light mods to your receiver. The Yongnuo RF603C coming to the kit, or coming to the box, but you don't have to actually worry about whether or not you're going to be left with extra transmitters, because the beauty of this system is that they automatically switch from transmitting to receiving mode depending on how they're plugged in. You have available up to 16 channels, which you can set here inside the battery compartment, and you can also trigger off large camera flashes like monoblocks and so on with one of these sync options that you have here. You can use the 1/4 inch, I think it is, jack, or the PC sync, or hot shoe if you're using a speed light. Okay, this is the Aputure Trigmaster Plus. It is also capable of being both a transceiver and a receiver. There are 6 channels that you can choose just from the front switch here. Works with speed lights, you can mount it through the hot shoe. Works off any SLR system as well by mounting straight into the camera's own hot shoe. And you can hook it up with a range of different flash options right use these little jacks here. Both the Aputure Trigmaster Plus and the Yongnuo RF603C come both compatible with a range of both entry-level and pro-level Canon and Nikon SLRs. Each of our RF triggers have different ranges. The standard FM trigger has a stated range of up to 30 meters maximum. The Yongnuo RF603C has up to 100 meter range, and the Aputure Trigmaster Plus is 130 meter maximum range. Always, when you're working with one of these systems, make sure you test them out to make sure that you're actually going to be able to not get misfires when you're shooting, because the range can dramatically drop according to the environment. You might get interference with things like local radio sources. Could be a modem or a router, could be a telephone, mobile phone, the building itself that you're working in. All these things will affect the range of these triggers. So it's always a good idea to make sure you test it for the environment that you intend to use it. All these radio triggers are available through our website and come with a 12-month warranty.